This is an easy recipe from the Xi'an Famous Foods cookbook. Fried chicken wings with Xi'an Famous Foods Spices. Let's start off by making the marinade for the chicken wings. Combine 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix the ingredients together. Then add 6 wings into the chicken marinade. Combine well and make sure the marinade is thoroughly spread throughout the wings. Cover with plastic wrap and put in the refrigerator for 2 hours. While that's marinating, let's make the coating. Whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. After 2 hours, toss the chicken wings with the dredge, making sure that the chicken wings are completely coated. Heat a neutral oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Drop in the dredged wings one at a time to prevent splattering and to prevent the oil from dropping in temperature too quickly. Fry the chicken wings for about 2 minutes. Drop the heat down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius and cook for 10 minutes to cook through. Remove the chicken wings from the oil onto a rack once they are done cooking. Heat the oil back up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and fry the chicken wings again for another minute or so until they're golden brown and perfectly crispy. For the dipping spice, we're going to combine half a teaspoon of ground Sichuan peppercorn, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of dried chili powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I actually forgot the salt and ended up adding it later. Plate the chicken wings and serve with the dipping sauce on the side. The double frying makes the chicken wings amazingly crispy and the spice blend is slightly numbing and has just a hint of spice.
I dip it in this?
It's like a seasoning salt.
Seasoning salt. Mmm.
It's good. How's the salt?
It's so good. I mean, it's piping hot.
Crispy?
Mm-hmm. I like the salt. Mmm.
We ended up also eating it with some Kewpie mayo so that the spice stuck better to the wings. Very good.
前面是蛋。